Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix voice chat on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here on the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, if you want to fix voice chat on the PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your device. First of all, click on sound right here. Then here you're gonna find microphone, audio output, 3D audio for TV speaker, 3D audio for headphones, and lastly volume. Go ahead and click on microphone, and then here you're gonna find input device, adjust microphone level, microphone status when logged in, and here you're gonna find microphone status when starting voice chat or broadcast. Go ahead and click on input device firstly, and then here make sure you select the microphone that you're using. And then once you do that, you can go to adjust microphone level, and from here you can adjust your microphone level. So I will unmute my microphone to show you guys how you can do it. Click right here on microphone level, and then you're going to be able to increase it or decrease it while hearing your voice in the background. So once you finish, just go back, and then all of your changes will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.